Hello and welcome. My name is Cliff and I want to talk about you. More specifically, I want to talk about little you, the version of you that is just now beginning to understand and memorize basic science concepts and facts. If you will, think back through your childhood. How did you solve 2 plus 2? For me, it was easiest to use my fingers, and at a certain point, I substituted my fingers for apples. If this process was the easiest way for you to learn as well, then you were practicing what is known as visual thinking. Visual thinking is essentially the process of thinking through pictures, and it's believed that approximately 60% of the general population use this method. While thinking in terms of apples helped me succeed in my early years, I was actually encouraged to move away from this type of learning as I grew older. Did you have a similar experience? If so, think of how you were disciplined for using your visual technique. Are you currently thinking about the emotion or mood of that event? Or do you find yourself replaying that moment in your head very clearly, almost like watching a movie? If you just instinctually replayed that moment, you were once again practicing visual thinking. As research has taught us, everyone thinks and comprehends in their own way. And for some of us, that means interpreting concepts visually. Take a family tree, for example. Typically, these are great examples of what is known as visual mapping. Mind maps or spidergrams are a great way to visually organize information. So in our family tree example, the oldest family members are at the top of the tree, and the family continues to branch out from there with each new generation, all while taking the shape of an actual tree. If you have difficulty organizing and remembering scientific facts, formulas, and concepts, visual mapping can help there too. This is an example of what an energy mind map looks like. It's certainly a very different take on approaching a science topic, but we shouldn't be limited by the standard methods of learning from years past. If you believe that you are a visual learner, I want to encourage you to take advantage of your abilities. If the standard mold doesn't seem to be working, approach your problem-solving methods from a different angle. There isn't any one right or wrong way to learning through visual thinking. That's the beauty of it. Thomas Edison and Albert Einstein are two great examples of visual thinkers, and they both did some pretty amazing things for the world. Now it's your turn. Go map out the world and think visually.